Today we'll be discussing seborrheic keratosis. Seborrheic keratosis is a very common condition in which there is benign epidermal growth on the skin. It occurs more commonly on face and trunk. So, in this particular problem, what we see is in India, around third decade onwards, this comes. There is no predisposition about more in male or female, they are equally affected, and there is genetic predisposition for this particular condition, that if it runs in families, you will have more chance of having seborrheic keratosis. So first of all, what causes seborrheic keratosis? There are no known causes other than genetic predisposition. So if your parents are having this, you are supposed to have seborrheic keratosis, which will start from the third decade and gradually keep on increasing till sixth decade. So, what is seborrheic keratosis? It is a benign epidermal growth on the skin. How common it is? It's very, very common. More commonly seen after third decade, and as age increases, its number and chances keep increasing. There is equal distribution between males and females. And as far as cause is concerned, there is genetic predisposition that if your parents have this, there are very high chance that you will get seborrheic keratosis lesions on your face, trunk. The main predisposing areas are face, trunk, neck, but it can occur any part of the body. So, how to diagnose it? See, as a layman, if your mother or father is having small black lesions on their face, neck and trunk, and you have started looking at very smaller lesions, which is as small as 1-2 millimeter on your face or upper trunk, that means you are getting seborrheic keratosis. But that doesn't 100% ensure that it is seborrheic keratosis. You have to differentiate it from few other skin conditions like simple warts, BCC, basal cell carcinoma, if there is only one lesion on the face, or benign or malignant melanocytic lesions. So if you are in doubt, you need to see a dermatologist. So how do we diagnose it? These lesions may start as macules, that is plain brownish lesions, which gradually get raised in form of pigmented brown to black papules, which have a dull, rough, furrowed surface. As a doctor, as a dermatologist, when we see these lesions, they are very easily diagnosable, but sometimes even if it makes, diagnosis difficult for us, then we may go for dermoscopy, in which we see particular features of seborrheic keratosis like follicular plugging, or even if still in doubt, we go for biopsy. Seborrheic keratosis is totally benign. We don't need its treatment. We treat this condition because of cosmetic reasons. If you don't feel confident with them, you want to get them removed, then your dermatologist will suggest you treatment depending on your need. First, do remember seborrheic keratosis, other than visual cosmetic problem, will not give you any itching, any burning or any pain. It's totally without any symptoms. Second, it could be as small as 1 to 2 mm lesion, or it can grow to 2-3 centimeters or even more as you age it. If you are not comfortable with them, you should get them removed earlier, because smaller the lesion, there are high chance after removing there will not be any remnant pigmentation left over. They give you an appearance of like stuck on, that something is pasted on your skin. And as a matter of fact, its treatment also includes just scraping it off from your skin. Otherwise, we advise cryotherapy electrocautery, CO2 laser removal. Sometimes doctor may even plan QH treatment for shear seborrheic keratosis. One thing is for sure, if you feel sudden increase in number of seborrheic keratosis on your body, it must be investigated. You must see a dermatologist because there is something called sign of lesser terelite, in which if there is malignancy in your body, which is usually of stomach or colon, there is sudden spurt of seborrheic keratosis lesions all over the body. It may or may not be accompanied by acanthosis. If you see your dermatologist or your specialist, he or she may recommend you few tests to rule out malignancies. Any black lesion which changes its color fast, there is variation in its shape, then you must see a dermatologist. Though seborrheic keratosis is totally benign, but it needs to be diagnosed by a specialist so that you can sleep comfortably that it is not basal cell carcinoma or any other malignant problem. So friends, I hope it will be enough for you to know about seborrheic keratosis in your day-to-day life for your dear and near ones. It's a very easily treatable problem, though treatment is required only for cosmetic reasons. But if still you want, please don't self-medicate it. Please don't try to burn it at home. See a specialist. Thank you. I hope you will like the video, and for some more videos on same problem or other skin problem, you can search Dharma Vidya. Thank you.
For more such videos, visit or log into dharmavidya.com.